Hello, my name is Ken Gerald Galarion. I'm from section J2B-1 and my teacher of the subject is Sir Sabas Rara, and my topic now is about nautical chart correction, about explaining how to correctionally the nautical chart. Nautical chart correction is the process of updating a ship chart to make sure all information is accurate and safe for navigation. This is important because the sea changes over time and new hazard or changes may appear. To update a nautical chart, mariners use notice to mariners, which provide the latest corrections. This notice may include changes like new removed lights, depth changes, or newly discovered danger. The steps in correcting a chart usually include: 1. Check the notice to mariners for updates. 2. Locate the position on the chart using coordinates and latitude and longitude. 3. Apply the correction by drawing and erasing or adding symbols using proper chart symbols. 4. Write the correction number and date on the chart to keep track. 5. Keep the chart clean and updated for safe navigation. And in simple terms, nautical chart correction helps ensure the sailors are using the most current and correct information to avoid accidents and travel safely at sea. And that's all. Thank you.